I've been creating content for just over a year now, and throughout my journey, I've generated millions of views and gained thousands of followers. And as you've probably already heard time and time again from the biggest social media gurus and influencers, a big component of success on social media comes down to your ideation. And your ideation comes down to your scripting, which makes sense because all of your insights and all of your value are derived from the script that you create. So with that being said, if ideation and scripting were easy, anyone would have the potential to blow up on social media and build a profitable personal brand. But obviously, that's not the case because most creators don't achieve what they intended to. So clearly, this is a pretty big bottleneck for anyone creating content going into 2025, which is why in this video, I'm excited to share with you guys a honestly pretty untapped and game-changing AI software that takes scripting and ideation to new levels. When ChatGPT came out, a whole lot of people started using it for content purposes, myself included, and it's decent, right? It gets the job done. But the thing about ChatGPT is that it's honestly a one-stop shop. Everyone uses it for so many different purposes. What I'm saying is that the scripts that you're going to get from ChatGPT are so generic that people can immediately tell it's written by AI. Another issue is when I tried to recreate other people's viral videos, I'd find myself going to YouTube, going to some random website that's probably going to hack my IP to get a transcript, then going to a custom trained GPT, which probably took hours to train, to give the transcript over, then to make short form or long form videos. It was just way too much friction. So with this new AI tool, you're literally able to combine all of that into one place. And the way that I like to think about this tool is that it's basically your personal content strategist. It can analyze your exact tone of voice, scrape other creators' content, and it's actually trained to do one main thing: write viral content. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it.
Alrighty, so the first step is going to be to head over to Get Poppy AI. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Once you're all signed up, everything like that, you're going to see a page that looks like this. So this is Poppy. You're going to see that you have different boards. And so, to create a board, just click new board, make your name, whatever you want the board name to be. Then for me, since I already have one, I'm just going to hop over here to my YouTube board. And so as you can see, I've already been using Poppy for a whole bunch of different things for my YouTube scripts. And so to walk you guys through exactly how to do it for yourself, though, we'll just kind of just recreate what I've done here. And so first, the first thing that you want to do is just go ahead and click G. It's going to create this little group right here. And so from here, what we have to do is get a whole bunch of our content onto this group right here so that we can start training this AI to know how we talk, what our content's like, our tone of voice, our style of talking, the main principles and touch points that we go over. And so what we'll do to get that is just head over to my YouTube. Let's see, try to find probably the longest video so that it can get to know you the most. It can hear more of your transcripts, more of you talking. So we'll go over here and we'll basically just copy and paste this into this group right here. And then we'll do a couple more videos. So we got that one. Let's grab this one because it's pretty focused on the main principles of what I talk about in my content. So we'll grab this video right here. We'll grab one more YouTube video. We'll grab like this one right here. And then what we can also do on the short form side of things is we can hop over to Instagram and we can grab some of these. And so we can grab this URL right here and come back to this, make this box a little bit bigger, and we can grab that, paste that here. We can grab, let's say one more from here and add this. And now we're pretty set. So we got 5 pieces of content. So now that we have all of this here, what we can go ahead and do is connect this AI agent to right off the bat, have this break down exactly how we talk and basically confirm, make sure that it understands the main principles and everything like that. And so this is where it gets pretty cool. Basically go ahead and click on this AI agent right over here on the left side column. A little bit. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this and then you can see where there's little like attachments right here to attach this the grid right here to this AI agent, AI assistant. So we're going to do that right now. And so we can see it's moving and it's attached. All right, so what we'll do is say based on this content, how do I talk? And let's just see what it can create for us right here. So it's basically analyzing how I talk. So let's open this in a full screen and let's see right here what it gets. So based on this content, your value focused, controversial language. Let's see, structure your communication, build trust through transparency, keep it professional. And so you're going to see that when you plug your videos in here, it's going to really break down exactly what you talk about. The proof of it's right here. Like the content I make is very focused on value. I use this type of language. And so I say, like, you know, I say that a lot. And so it talks about the structure, talks about like the main principles of your videos. And so you can see like it really understands your content now, understands how you talk, meaning it can now recreate a whole bunch of videos in your own style so that you're not stealing other people's videos. And so that when AI creates scripts for you, you're you know, happy to create the video. It's something that you want to, it's something that you would really say, not it doesn't sound like AI. So from here, now what we want to do to find that viral video in our niche is kind of just surf through YouTube. So you're going to go on YouTube and find like what videos did well within your niche. And so if you're like in the AI niche, you're like an AI coach, go ahead and look that up. AI coaching, best AI tools, and then kind of look at what got a lot of views, right? So for me, I already have mine right here. And so I want to use this Gary Vee video because, you know, Gary Vee is super well known. The guy knows his stuff. It probably has really great principles, right? So this is a long form video, basically talking about like social media advice, like what you need to be doing in your social media marketing. And so, you know, someone that is doing that personally, I want to recreate this and take his principles, but make a video in my own words. So I'm going to come back to Poppy, and basically what I'm going to do is paste this link right here on the board. It's basically right now transcribing this video. It's already done, right? It already transcribed it. So now what I do is connect this here. And first, let's just double check that Poppy knows that has seen this video. So do you see this video? Let's see if it sees it. Let's see. Do you see, let me do the title of the video. Yes, I see the video. Let's see what it gets. So basically it's telling me the main touch points of the video. So speak with raw authenticity, show deep conviction, human connection, challenge your audience, all things that sound like something Gary Vee would say, right? And so now what we want to do to steal Gary Vee's knowledge, principles, and main touch points of this video, of this speech that he had, is we're going to say, let's say, let's say recreate, and then we'll give it the title, recreate this, let's say recreate that video using my tone and style of voice. And let's send this here. Let's see what it recreates. So let's see. So now it's recreating this. The reality of modern marketing. The data doesn't lie. So what's crazy about this is that I mentioned data a lot in my video. So just using the content that I gave Poppy, it realized what is important to me, like what topics I mainly touch on. And in multiple videos, I touch on this right here, the 7-11-4 rule, because it's super important in my messaging. And so it basically, what it did was it took Gary Vee's video, it took the principles of it, the premise of the video and some of the principles, and it took my main touch points. So the way that I say things, and it made it perfect for what I would do. And so that's what's crazy about this tool, is that it literally is, it's going to make scripts within minutes. It literally knows, it can analyze and find out your exact tone of voice. And it perfectly takes other viral videos from other people, and instead of just like rewording it so that it sounds like it's stolen from them, or so that it sounds like straight up AI, it puts it into your own creative, your own unique way of talking. And so it's pretty insane. It really is a game changer. And so yeah, I mean, that's really how the tool works. You know, when you sign up, you know, you get 2,000 monthly credits, and so it's pretty hard to run out of this. If you do, I'm sure you can just hit them up. The people at Poppy, pretty chill, and they can just help you out and probably get you more, but most likely you're not going to run out of this. Yeah, guys, I mean, that's Poppy. Basically the way it looks to get started is to basically head over to this page right here, Get Poppy AI. And so once you're here, you're basically going to be taken to a page like this. And so as you can see, for the yearly plans, it's 324. For monthly plans, it's looking more like 100. And so you're going to save a lot on yearly. And if you do want to get this tool, start using it now, you can actually use code Grayson. This will give you $25 off. So instead of 324, it's only $299 at checkout. And yeah, that just about wraps up this video. I've honestly never seen a tool this insane. And so going into 2025, this could really help you out with your output, with your quality, and really just be a game changer for your personal brand, for growing on social media. But yeah, guys, that just about wraps up this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.